Okay, class, now we will be using the triangle exterior sum theorem to solve for missing variables and missing angles, okay? So the very first thing that we must do is look at the triangle on the left, okay? Notice that this angle is in the outside. That's called exterior. That's why this is called exterior, okay? Now, this is the trick. The first thing you should do is identify the angle that is in the exterior, okay? And then notice that notice that the angle that is right next to it will not be used, okay? Now, according to the theorem, we must add the two angles that are in the that are remote from it, okay? So the two remote angles from the exterior angle. So the two angles equal, these two angles, look at these two, that are in the inside of the triangle, but not here, not next to the outside angle. Those two angles add up and equal the exterior angle. They equal x, whatever x is. That's what the theorem states. Those two angles, 21 plus 43, when you add them, they equal the exterior angle, okay? Very simple. Now let me do one more example just to make sure that you get it, okay? Always begin with the exterior angle. And what I do is I circle it. If you want to copy these to a piece of paper and do the same, that would be great. So the exterior angle, 100, equals the two angles, the two remote interior angles, okay? So so then these two angles here, okay, equal 100 degrees. They equal the exterior angle, the angle that is outside. So then you simply add these two, because together they equal the outside angle. So let's go ahead and solve for x. Okay? Oh, by the way, let's call this angle A, angle B, and angle C. Okay, let's just call them ABC. So then what you do is you have to combine these two. Okay? So 3 plus 51 give you 54. Okay? Equals 100. Next, what you do is you subtract 54 from both sides. Okay? Very simple. So like I said, you go ahead and subtract 54 from both sides, and that gives you 46 equals 2x. Last but not least, you divide both sides by 2. So 46 divided by 2 gives me 23. So guess what? I'll write it up here. X equals 23. So class, in this problem, if they were asking for the x value equals 23. You would be done. But let me use a different color for this. Let me see, can I use a different color? Okay, let's pretend that they're asking for the measurement of angle A, which the problems that you do today will. Let's pretend that they're asking for A. Yes, one of the steps is finding x. So now that you have x, what you do is you plug it in. So let me go back here. You would do 2 times, instead of x, 23, because we know that 23 equals x plus 3. Okay? So then you would do, okay, 2 times 23 plus 3 gives me 49. So guess what, class? Angle A measures 49 degrees. Okay? Again, if you need assistance, reach out to your teacher, send them an email, or send them a message through Schoology, okay? Good luck completing your assignments. Thank you so much. Have a good day.